Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to write better prompts for AI art. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Writing effective prompts for AI art generation involves providing clear and specific instructions to guide the artificial intelligence and creating the desired output. And here are the tips on how to write better prompts for AI art. Step 1. Clearly articulate what you want in the artwork. Instead of vague instructions like a beautiful landscape, specify details like a sunset over a mountain lake with reflections in the water. Step 2. Use descriptive adjectives to convey the mood, style, or characteristics you're looking for. For example, surreal, dreamlike, cityscape with vibrant colors. Step 3. Offer additional context or details that can help the AI understand the theme or concept you have in mind. For instance, filled with neon lights. Step 4 is specify elements you want to include in the artwork and how you want them arranged. For example, include a central tree with winding branches and birds flying in a circular pattern around it. Step 5. Experiment with different artistic styles or techniques by mentioning them in your prompt. For instance, impressionist style, seascape with bold brushstrokes and vibrant colors. Step 6. Include reference image or links to images that capture the essence of what you're looking for by clicking on audio photo and choose your preferred photo. This helps provide a visual reference for the AI model. Step 7. If you want the artwork to evoke specific emotions, express that in your prompt. For example, create a nostalgic scene with warm tones and soft lighting. Step 8. Once you've made your decision, click on Generate, then leave room for AI to interpret and add its creative touch. Avoid overly restrictive instructions to allow for more diverse and interesting results. Step 9. The initial results are not what you've envisioned. Iterate and refine your prompt. For example, experiment with different wording or provide more explicit instructions. Step 10. Be aware of the AI model's capabilities and limitations. Some models might excel at certain styles or subjects, so tailor your prompt accordingly. Remember that AI art generation is a collaborative process, and the quality of the output often depends on the clarity and creativity of the prompt. Experiment with different approaches and have fun exploring the possibilities of AI generated art. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.